Oh my God. Hey, look, you got red chucks on. Mama is like Mario and Luigi if they were blue and red. You might be wondering where we are. We're in St. Charles. That's my mom. We're here for model trains. We gotta go downstairs. I think it's model trains. I hope it is. Let's go. I think we're in the right spot. I like that clock right there. Look at that. It's a cool clock. But anyway, it's downstairs on the lower level. Oh, I can't wait. All right, you guys, we got our tickets. 2 adults. Oh, I hear trains. Okay, so we just entered. This is, I guess, like they got toys out here. This is sweet. I think this is like where all the like shops are, maybe. This is outside the convention hall. So let's see what we can get into. They have semi trucks here for sale. Oh, and little cars. Oh, that's awesome. So it's a model train convention. So you know what model trains are. It's like these little toy trains. It's really cool. Oh, they're all up here. That's cool. These are like those containers that go on the back of flatbeds. Flatbeds. I'll call them flatbeds. And like semi-truck trailers. There's a tunnel portal. And cornerstones. My mom just pointed out this these tractors right here. Get that. Oh, look at that one in there. Oh. Look at this high detail building kit. It's for HO scale. Okay, so one of the kits they have contemporary series is a Burger King for your train set. That's cool. I like these little oil drums and pallets. There's porta potties. Oh. Yeah, I was just looking at them.
Where's your pig at?
There's Santa Fe. I don't know. I'm pretty sure we'll come across some Union Pacific.
Union Pacific is the number one.
Look at that. Look at this.
CSX.
It's an auto rack.
Cool.
$75. Little shrubs, little bushes. Okay, like these. There's a Bratwurst cart. I like these. The little swimmers. Oh, there's football players. That's the one I just had. I thought this was Elvis. It's a wedding. And they got tourists. There's another Burlington. There's a McDonald's. wow. There's a little Popeyes. Little speedy thing. You didn't even pick up any passengers. Look at that. You missed your train. Some more auto racks. Oh, the little crossing's going. Oh. It didn't go up.
Oh, you just missed them.
Maybe it's when nothing's coming.
Just went down.
All right. So my mom pointed out that there's a McDonald's right there. I gotta see the front. Yeah, I can go like that. Sketch. What's his name? Speedy? I like these. Maybe it's a haunted house.
Hey Greg, do you have a minute? We got a gentleman talking about maybe about the club and all that.
I like the little town, how it's set up on the other side of this mountain. And then you have that side. Oh. Couldn't get away. There you go.
Here's the choo-choo train.
I like this little setup. It's like I love when they're like little towns. They, you know, when they build little towns where the trains go through. I think we got a steam engine coming. Oh, it's an old-fashioned Union Pacific steam engine. Get yourself some Philco batteries. Hey, look, there's Acme bombs and stuff, explosives. I think this might be a video of me finding all restaurants. There's a Dairy Queen. Okay. So, we found the show floor. We weren't lost. It's just, we're now in here. We're gonna make our way this way, and we're gonna end the way. This reminds me of Comic-Con, but for model trains. This is the name of these hobby supplies. Like, they got a good selection. I didn't even see all those over there. Look at that. Oh, and there it is up there. They're from Fort Scott, Kansas City. Look, they got the municipal water tower, a farm wrench, N-Trak house, industry office, sunrise feed mill, an updated American bungalow with garage. Oh, and there's vehicles. This is pretty cool. But look at all these. These are, like, I don't know if I said this. This is HO scale. I used to have HO scale when I was a boy. And look, a power plant, a substation, and then a wide oil storage tank. Oh, that's cool. Here's where my head is at. If I do start another train set, I might downsize to this scale. It might be O scale. I think it might be O. Union Pacific. These are the big boys. Oh. See. Show you guys. This is my finger. That's how big these are. Southern Pacific. Oh, look at that boy. It's big. These set pieces are $440. Look at that. Southern Pacific. They have little model figures. Oh, I believe these are HO as well. Yep, HO scale. There's BNSF. 280. It's not bad. Look at that engine. Union Pacific. They have a Iron Horse. Norfolk Southern. They also have Hot Wheels. You need some cars. You can even buy artwork here. These are some sketches. Oh, there's some more over there. You guys, I found a McDonald's. Oh, and there's little planes right there. No, I did. Oh, going around? I haven't been talking because I'm dumbfounded. Look at all these. They got the whole, this is like the train yard by the house. It's Southern Pacific. It's the little, I like how it's the desert. Because then over there it's snow. But all the locomotives. And we got a mountain range right there. What is that on that train right there? I don't know. That is so cool. We found this little scavenger hunt. So it says, can you find a pack of dogs, a pile of old train wheels, a Phillips 66 truck, 2 rail repair trucks, men on fueling station? Let's see if we can do this. Okay, so this is the module. And I think we found the pile of wheels, which are right there. I want to say that orange truck is the Phillips. That is the Phillips 66 truck. I can see it. Look. See it? Phillips 66. 2 men on a fueling station. I think that's right here. But that's one man. The other one's sitting right there on the other end. The pack of dogs is hard. So we found a pack of dogs. Well, we had to ask for help. They're right there under the tree.
So what happened
Pack
to
of dogs.
Dale, we're coming out.
That's the Texas Eagle. And would you look at that? My mom found the two rail repair trucks right there. So I'll go over them real quick so you guys can see it. The pack of dogs is down there underneath the tree. The two guys at the fueling station there. The Phillips 66 truck is that orange truck back there. Pile of rail wheels. And the two repair trucks right there. That's a good one. He said this one down here though will stump us. So let's try it.
Wolf, snowmobiles, and cabin names. Bear,
Sledder. All right.
Oh, okay, we got it.
So I think I might have found the wolf.
Let's see, Wolf.
It's over there by the tree. The snow plow's right there, outside of the little village.
Check. Snowmobile.
That cabin second to the left is called Bear. That's Elk. I don't see Sledder.
Maybe it's a sledder. Somebody on the sled.
Then they're on the back.
Yeah, they're on the back.
What's that car supposed to be?
I'm gonna go over this again just for you guys. Truck, wolf, snowmobile, cabin names, Bear, and Sledders. Okay, from the back. Cabin name. I found the, no, I know. Cabin names, and then Bear, and then Sledder. So the Sledders are on the back. The cabin names, Elk, Bear, Deer, and Wolf. I think that's a wolf right there. The Bear said it was going to be tricky, but I think it's right there. Right there trying to get the tree. And the snowmobiles are right there. So yeah, I think we got them all. We got to ask them. Okay, so we have explored all the shops over there. And now we're looking at these modules. These modules are fun. Oh my goodness. Look at these lights. There's a tornado over there. I'm gonna go over there and look at that one, but this is cool. I like this train station right here. Oh, now the tornado's gone. That's cool. While we wait for the tornado, I want to take in some of these. It just came down. I like how the train slowed down. There's a junkyard for cars. He's getting ready to come into the station, I guess? Right. Big old plow. I think this is one of my favorites. the Mississippi Valley and this one are my two favorites. The Gateway N-Trak. Look, a beach. And there's a pirate ship out there. Yeah. You got the little, what do they call it? Stick fence or whatever. And they got the drive-in. That tornado down there is pretty cool. These people at this drive-in need to get away. There's a tornado about 5 miles down the road. It just reminds me of that movie Twister. Oh, there's people sitting on their cars. Oops. So my goal today was find all the food. I found a Starbucks and I found a Taco Bell. All right, it's cold. That was the end. This is the end. That was the great train show. The toy train. The Greater St. Louis Toy Train Show. We're here at the Embassy Suites. It was awesome. There was a lot of model trains. I want to build a model train now. All in all, my mom started the car, messed up my video. It's cool, but we're going home. It's been a great day. See you in the next adventure. Adventures out there. Go ride a train. Oh, and we're gonna go to the other one in October. There's another train show coming in October in Kirkwood. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.